Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the application was unable to start correctly error 0xc00007b. Let's fix it guys. Method 1 is to reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. To do this, check my video description for the download link. Scroll down, select x86 link and select x64 link. After getting download done, you just need to install it. After the installation done, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2 is to update DirectX. Download and install the latest version of DirectX from Microsoft's website. Check my video description for this link used in my video. Select the download option and download the DirectX. Select the DirectX setup and install it. Select I agree the argument and select next, and check install big bar and select next. After getting done, select finish, and now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3 is to run the application as administrator. Right click on the application shortcut and choose run as administrator and select yes and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 4 guys. Method 4 is to reinstall .NET Framework. Download and install the latest version of .NET Framework from Microsoft website. To do this, check my video description for this link used in my video. Scroll down, select the latest version. Scroll down, select the download .NET Framework under runtime, and it's downloaded. Click on it and install it. Select yes. Select I have read it and accept the license terms and select install. After getting installation is complete, click on finish, and now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 5 guys. Method 5 is to use compatibility mode. To do this, right click on the application you're having problem with and select properties. Select compatibility tab and check mark run this program in compatibility mode for. Click on this drop down and choose an older version of Windows, for example Windows 7 or Windows 8, and after that click on apply and OK for save changes. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 6 guys. Method 6, check for system file corruption. For that you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for this command used in my video. Just copy and paste it and press enter. This will scan and repair any corrupted system files. You just need to wait for this verification to get 100% complete. After getting this 100% complete, you just need to close tab here. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 7 guys. Method 7 is to reinstall the application. Uninstall and reinstall the application that's causing the error to ensure all files are installed properly. If this method doesn't fix your problem, then let's move on to the method 8 guys. Method 8 is to update graphics drivers. To do this, you just need to check my video description for this links used in my video for Nvidia Users and AMD Users. Go to your GPU manufacturer websites and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. After downloading it, install the driver and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.